Now we're going to look at how to communicate and collaborate using Wiggio. To set up an account, you need to go to the Wiggio website at www.wiggio.com. Once you get to the website, you need to select New User, Sign Up Now, which will be located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You will be prompted to fill in the required fields to create your free account. Wiggio can be used for several different things, from sending group emails to sending text messages, participating in conference calls, creating real-time polls for participants to respond to, conducting web meetings, participating in chat rooms within the site, sharing a calendar, and leaving voice messages. Now we will look at the top 5 reasons to use Wiggio, as well as watch some short videos on the functionality and navigation. First, let's watch a video on hosting virtual meetings and conference calls.
You can create a conference call, virtual meeting, or chat room. The conference call feature gives you a free conference line that participants can dial into. To schedule a call, click Schedule Conference Call. Give your conference call a name. Select the date and time, and invite participants. All participants will receive an email with the dial-in instructions. You can also schedule a virtual meeting. Virtual meetings include video and audio conferencing, as well as the ability to share your screen with other participants. When the meeting starts, participants just click on the link and they are taken into the meeting. When you first enter the meeting, you'll find a pop-up box showing a phone number. Participants can dial into this number to join a conference call during the meeting. As the host of the virtual meeting, you can see all of the participants on the right. You can also chat with them in the box at the lower right. You can turn participants' audio or video permissions on or off by selecting their name, then the respective icons below. You can have up to 10 people on a video chat at once. You can also share your screen with participants. Click on Share, then Desktop to share your screen. Then click Allow, and now all participants will see what's on your screen. The last type of meeting is a chat room. This allows you to set a private text chat between multiple participants. These chats are archived, so you can refer back to them later.
Next, we will look at creating to-do lists and assigning tasks.
You can create a to-do list to help keep track of assignments, tasks, and milestones. Click Create To-Do List in the Action menu on the right. Give your to-do list a name and add the tasks. You can select due dates for tasks and assign tasks to individual members. select the group associated with this to-do list. When you click Create, the to-do list appears on your feed. You can go into the to-do list and check off completed items.
Now let's look at managing events with a shared calendar.
Create an event by clicking on Schedule Event. Fill in the details of the event and then select the date and time. You can click More Details to add further information, such as repeated dates, location, description, and reminders. Choose which group or individuals you want to invite, then click Create. You can find your events in the feed view as well as the calendar view. Within the calendar view, you'll see a month's view of all of the events you've created or been included in. You can click on any event to see details about that event. If you want to only see events from a certain group, click that group from the group selector on the left. You can see all events from all groups by clicking on All Events. You can also switch to Agenda View. You can even export this calendar to other calendar applications or import an outside calendar to your Wiggio calendar. Just click on the Options menu, then follow the instructions.
Now let's look at polling your group in real time.
Polls allow you to get a quick consensus from groups or contacts. To create a poll, click Create Poll from the Action menu. Give your poll a name, then add questions. In this example, I'll ask a yes or no question, a multiple choice question, and an open answer response question. Now, I can select exactly who I want to receive this poll. I can invite an entire group, exclude certain members of the group, or add recipients who are not members of that group. The poll now appears at the top of your feed. All recipients will also get an email with a link to take the poll. You can take the poll, see results in real time, and see each person's responses to the questions.
Lastly, let's look at uploading and managing files in a shared folder.
To upload files to your group, select Add Files from Computer from the Action menu on the right. Click on Add Files and select the file you want to upload from your computer. You can do the same with links. Click on Add Links from the Web, copy or type in the URL, and write a shortened display name for the link. You can also create new documents and spreadsheets. Clicking on Create Document or Create Spreadsheet open the new file in your browser, which you can edit and save right back to your group's folder. You can access all uploaded content from the folder view. Click on the tab to enter the folder view and select the group folder you want to access. From here, you'll find files and links, which you can organize into subfolders.
Now let's look at I do, we do, you do. What we have done is taken an example of how Wiggio has been used within our group to work on the multimedia survival guide. I have then given you access to go in and look at the site as well to see how you may be able to use this in your classroom. Hi, and welcome back. At this point, you have had an opportunity to see how to set up a Wiggio account, look at the many uses of a Wiggio page, as well as watch some short videos on the top 6 uses of a Wiggio, its functionalities, and navigation of the site. I would like to briefly show you how our group has used the Wiggio site in order to communicate and collaborate with one another to create the interactive multimedia survival guide components. Under the Feed tab, you will find a thread of all the items that have been posted within the Wiggio and any comments posted by group members. Under the Folder tab, you will see all of the products that each group member has posted. This allows all members to house documents needed for the project within the site so that every member of the group can access these documents at any time. Under the Calendar tab, you will find a calendar that reflects all meetings and due dates for our group. You can set your Wiggio account up so that it sends out reminder emails letting you know of all scheduled events based on your preferences under the Manage Profile Setting tab. We have used the Share Your Desktop feature when meeting on Skype to show all group members the progress we have made on our respective parts. I have added Dr. LaPrairie as a member of our group, and she has access to everything that's posted, as well as having the ability to post items herself and make comments within our feed page. As a teacher, if you use this site, you can help facilitate each group in your class from anywhere that has internet access. Now it's your turn to look at the functions of Wiggio. I have created a group within my Wiggio account, and I have added each of you as a member. You will need to accept membership by clicking on the link within your email. Once you have created an account and accepted membership to the group, you can go in and take an in-depth look at the functions of Wiggio to decide how this tool can be used to enhance your classroom. Have fun! I hope you enjoy getting into Wiggio and seeing what it's all about. Here is a link to frequently asked questions just in case you wanted some more information. That's how you can use Wiggio in your classroom to promote communication and collaboration.